Where?
It's right there.
You cut it out, Menta. It has me cutting an onion with a steak knife. It's 9:30. What? I hear that. She's so spoiled, I swear to God. 9:30, my mom legit. I'm trying to speak. It's 9:30 and my mom came into my room at like 7:30 or like 8. I don't know. I'm speaking. And she was like, all of you are sleeping so good. Who cares? It's just one meeting. You're in all of the meetings. So she let the baby sleep through their first one. Puma doesn't have one and I don't have one on Monday in the morning. So she let us sleep. With Sonia right now, I just woke her up and she was like, oh, she's so sweet. But yeah, so I think I'm going to make coffee right now. And then I have Zoom at 9:50. So yeah. Hi. So I'm gonna make coffee. The kids are up already. I'm gonna make a shot of espresso. There's like nothing, but it's so strong.
Should I read? Okay, nothing else to do. Wait. Are you ready reading? Wait.
My hair isn't even that long.
Then who is that?
I don't know, but that's disgusting because it was in my mouth. I had a long hair like, and it ain't mine. And your hair's curly. It was like straight.
Oh.
And it looked like hers.
Mine is a little bit wavy.
That coffee is amazing.
Hey.
You guys are so pretty. She's just gonna sit here and look at papers. We're just gonna watch her. I hate this teacher. The 14th is Monday. That's the first day of finals. Your assignment is not required. It's extra credit. 3 assignments for extra credit? Don't mind if I do. And they're so easy.
Why are they still
Extra credit for a class that I have 108% in. Wish they would do this for my history, but it's fine. She's not posting assignments. Because so many freshmen are like behind. They don't really know what they're doing. It's their first year of high school. I don't blame them. So not every person in this class, because I'm taking first culinary, that's why it's freshman, they don't turn in their assignments. So now I don't have any work because finals are coming and grades are due. So I get this class off, which is amazing. I walked all the way to my room and I was literally like standing here like this. I stood here like. Then I was walking out and I already turned off my light and then I realized I came in here for my charger. I know everybody does that, but it was just like, how do I forget in a matter of seconds? I'm making, why does it look like that? I'm making olive cake breakfast. Did I also that from this camera? Where's the camera right here? That's weird. Anyways, breakfast for the babies. It's their favorite thing to eat. It's sunny side up eggs with pizza bread. Are you playing with money? Wash your hands before you eat.
He's just staring at you. Oh, he came in.
my teacher because my ceramic bowl is a mess and it's uneven. There's so many things wrong with it, and it's already leather hard, and he grades really hard, and I can't afford for a B or a C because that's our final. And so I asked for more clay, and I have to go to school on Thursday to pick up something for my culinary class. So now I'm gonna pick up more clay for that class, and he said I could do whatever I want with the rest of the clay, so that sounds fun. So now I have to redo that, and I have to finish it before Tuesday next week. I'm in my last Zoom. It's 11:45, and then I'm just gonna do my one assignment, and then I'm done for the day. Sounds so good. Ugh, let me clean the kitchen. Let me go put a bra on so I can clean. I'm cleaning the kitchen. I can't find my remote, so I'm gonna watch on my phone because people like to lose the remote.
I have been at this company for 20 years. How many of you have been here that long, huh?
So I had to make egg salad. So I made egg salad for everybody. And this is my pasta. I need to put it away, but I'll put it away after.
Wait, you made the pasta?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna finish the dishes now. So nice outside. I haven't been outside all day, and it's so gloomy and pretty. Oh my god, I live for this weather. Like, what? I love it. I'm loving it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's getting pretty full. We're gonna have to take it soon. Why does my hair look like? Anyways, it's comes down.
No, why not?
It's 3:17. I've been chilling for like an hour. I came out without a hoodie, and I regret everything because I'm wearing shorts too. But I'm checking the mail because I think there was a package delivered last night. I think memory cards. So we got a tripod. I can't open it, but I wanted to show you guys. We got a tripod for our 3 memory cards. My dad ordered pizza, like delivery. Oh my, hectic out there, am I right? I'm glad you agree. You might be nice, maybe they woke you up, huh? So I'm gonna wipe down this table that we have out here. Please don't fall with disinfectant wipes. Hella dirt. Oh my god. Ew. So I'm currently doing this assignment, and if I don't get extra or full credit for this, because I got 46 out of 100 for whatever reason. I'm doing an assignment that I got a 46 out of 100 on for no reason, and he said, well, I can't change the score that the website gave you, so just redo it on a Google Docs. So I'm redoing it, even things that I didn't do. Like this, you don't even have to do it, but I'm doing it. Hopefully he just gives me the credit because I actually did it. Okay, so you can't even see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna put the leftovers of this in Tupperware. I'm gonna put my pasta away. It has me cutting an onion with a steak knife. Hey, Judge. You don't like using the blue ones. Yes, I do. Oh, then why didn't you just tell me to grab them? Because you had this. I was like, all right. Oh, that pretty, looks right? Cool. Does it? I can't see. Yeah. You see? Oh, my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna guess on everything because my mom didn't give me proper instructions. So. You've seen me do it many times. That don't mean I remembered. These potatoes are huge.
Oh my god.
How many do I do?
2.
Okay. They're so big.
Potato soup at this point.
I know. No, I'm actually playing. Try 2 more. That much? What is you still trying to get in the potato bag? These potatoes are the size of Zoe. Okay, so then you close it and you let it get the pressure. Make sure this is closed. And then when it's ready, you let the pressure go. So I'm gonna let out the pressure. That took literally like 3 minutes. Ooh. Did she tell me to put that thing? I'm pooping. I'm very excited. Dude. I'm standing in the kitchen and I see this like this. No. It is less than 60 degrees outside daily. And it's been freezing. This fell off. Oh my god, it's so cold. Look, new card. I'm gonna write on it. Looks like Phineas. Is my soup good? It's amazing. Are you being sarcastic? No. Oh, I didn't. And then I got some things in the mail. I got my grandma's pajamas, my girlfriend's fuzzy socks, and Riley's fuzzy socks. Right now I'm gonna go shower just because I'm bored and I want to.
Test it.
How do you think you would pronounce that?
I have no idea. I wouldn't want to try.
Myra Douglas through Lander, Iceland. Are they drawing?
Try it over.
Aw, he's winking! I'm like, why did you do that off camera? She's like, bro, look at all the socks. I'm like, oh. Stop looking at them. Why? It comes with a do not disturb. Where?
It's right there.
You cut it out, Menta. I almost turned the camera off. I'm so glad I didn't. Oh my god, I literally was looking. And you're like, oh, is it inside? Is it bells? Oh. It's 10:53. I'm editing till I can't. I wish I would have recorded that. Okay, it is currently 11:50 p.m. Puma's playing VR next to me. I have some hibiscus tea.
Wait, man, this is before.
Okay, it is now 12:40. It took me about 3 hours to edit this vlog. I'm so ready to go to sleep. So that's the end of this vlog. I hope it was an interesting one. I was pretty much just cleaning and doing what I had to do today, and I did make soup. Tomorrow there will not be a vlog because I'm gonna make the hot cocoa bombs, so like it's still Vlogmas, and it's not gonna be a vlog, it's just gonna be a video, but I'm still uploading every day. You get me? If you made it to the end of this video, let me know some Christmas traditions your family does, but if you want to keep those private, let me know if you prefer a real tree or fake tree. Either one of those, you let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow while I make hot cocoa bombs. Bye.